Good morning, everyone. Everyone has a lot of ideas in their brain. How to actually get a quick prototype? We are going to walk you through in our building with business AI challenge that we are doing. And in this video, I just wanted to quickly show you one of the things that we have developed for this particular challenge and for the community is like a custom GPT type of things, and I will be showing you a live demo of this custom GPT that is available. So this is something that we have been building for some time, and I will just quickly show you. This is the idea and idea to prototype. Let me just get this link here. So I take this link and I open a new browser. So this is a new browser that I open, and this is created for everyone who wants to start using this. So let me just get a new chat. So it's something like this. So idea to prototype building with business AI, very simple. Click here to start. So what is your core objective? So it is giving you some ideas about what to build, but every one of you have an idea. So I want to build a community engagement platform for learners to engage community platform in the learners for learners to keep them motivated with points and leaderboard, and have assessments, quizzes, and challenges, and option to give bonus points, weekly winners, monthly winners in leaderboard. So I am writing a complete detailed thing that I wanted to have, and something like the school community that they are doing. Right, they are doing few of these parts where they have leaderboards, so this makes engagement that is there. So I write something. This is some idea that I had in my mind. I want to see how this particular idea to prototype thing is going to work. So it is thinking, and now it is asking who all are the people who I want to do it. For me, it is everyone. So I'll just put all. So all the K-12 students, everything that is there. So right now I don't want to make everything here. My target audience is everyone, but I want to get information for a responsible web, which is also mobile this thing. So I'm going to click A. That is the first one. So you don't need to type everything, you just need to do. So I just want to integrate it right now with our Discord. Just for now, very basic. I'll just keep it for Discord. You want other things, payment also, if you want, you can do that, because I want to do. So I will do like this: B, C, see, we will not have too much integrations right now. At least it will give us an idea. B, D, C, in E, and let us just do this enter to get an idea about this. And now it is thinking. So what are UI component? I will just say F, all the above for now. I want everything. So because these are the things that I mentioned, I want everything that is the quick prototype that is there. So now it gives us a prompt. So it is thinking for some time. Core objective, target user. So it gives us a complete prompt from our idea. It gives us some code snippet as well for integration with the Slack or whatever it is. We don't want to go into technical details right now. And it is asking us to copy this entire markdown block, paste it in any AI tool like Claude, Magic Pattern, Bolt. So first I'm going to do is I will just copy this. There is I will just copy this block, and then I will go to Claude. So ideally in Claude there is a free version and paid version. So Claude is a good way to quickly build an application. So what I'm going to do is I am going to keep the Claude Sonnet right now. This I cannot use right now for the reason. So I do this, and let us run this and see. Now it is trying to think. I'm building you a, see if you can see, I'm building you a comprehensive gamified learning platform. This will be fully functional website with all the features you have requested. So now whatever ideas that I have got from basic thing, it has got it. So deployment and all, leave it for now. We will be maybe in the future when you are building an AI application and all those things, you can use it in the August next challenges that are there in August 2nd or something. But for now, whatever idea that I had in mind regarding a very simple gamified learning community where users earn points, get ready for whatever they are doing and take it forward. So it is doing all the CSS magic in the end. It is creating some buttons that are there and taking it forward. This is a little complicated idea. You may not have a working demo, but at least you will visualize something that is there. So it is doing something huge. I hope it does not run out of free credits, and I'm doing it live right now, and let us wait for it to complete, then I will resume. So after couple of minutes, it took couple of minutes to run this. I got an amazing looking idea about a particular prototype that is there, and not only you can you can have a look, you can look at the dashboard, you can look at the different things that are there. It is a very simple application that is there. You can see this profile. The other things are having a slight error right now because this is a little complicated thing that is we have created, right? You can also go to the code, look at all the code. So it is a huge code base that is there, but now for the simple idea I have created, even they took a name by itself, a learn quest. It has a dashboard, take quiz, challenge, leaderboard and everything, and also you can click publish here. So now once I have a gamified learning platform full prototype, I will do publish and copy link. So you can do this as well. So everything till now I have done in the free thing. So now I get a copy link. So even though this is a very quick prototype, and the prototype that I built was something in my mind that I am planning to do, and in matter of 5 minutes I have a small working website. At least it looks a little bit. The other links are not working right now. This is giving error, but you need to fix it little bit and start working with it. But this is a simple way of having this particular prototype ready, and what are the steps. And this is something that is not going to be a working type of thing, but it is going to be your idea that you have in your mind to show it how it looks like. So this is something that we also want in people, in our people who are there in the building business with AI challenge and other challenges, to use this particular thing, because the biggest pain point of any engineer or any person is to write a particular prompt in a detailed manner, and this is particularly giving you a whole structure that is there. And even though right now the links are not working, so you can always go here and you can re-edit it. So the links are not, it will not, you need a paid version for it to do much more, are not working. And you can also give your logo here, upload a file. If you want to give your logo of your company that you have, suppose I want to give the logo of my decoding data science here, and add this logo, at least okay, logo okay, the links are not working. And in place of create challenge, join challenge, and list few demo life challenges in the future, and this is a user view. So I don't want to have an admin view now. This is a service, this is a user view. So let us see. This may take some time, or maybe it may not happen because of the limits, but let us see. I will come back in a couple of seconds. So now we have something. There is some issue in the logo, decoding, and then join challenge, if you can see. So they have done few changes, and this is the way you need to iterate. This will not give you a very quick idea of a very simple prototype. It may not work. So links, I will fix this JavaScript. It has done something. Maybe the size is not fitting here, and you can also look at the code that is there as well. You can click this, you can look at the complete code base that is there. So the good thing about, so it has loaded the image, but there is some size issue or something. You can maybe change this. You cannot edit here, but this is the first level of doing it, right? Getting an idea, getting something that is working. You can publish this. You can maybe get the publish and copy link, see what is happening, and try to, the purpose of this is to create a prototype. It may not be, this is the first step that I tell everyone to do. Claude gives you an option to do this particular thing, so you have some vision that is there. So if you can go down, you can look at this thing, the details, your achievements. These are some of the things that you have done, and give you an idea about this. This is your weekly rank. So you are Alex, so your weekly rank is 3rd. You have been gone in a 12-day streak. You have completed 47 challenges. You can join the challenges. This link is not working right now, but you can add those things in details. At least you get a simple prototype. So this is the way. Start using this custom GPT, start taking this into different platforms, start building this. The same thing, if you want to do the same thing that you want to do it in Cursor or something else, that will really also be able to do it, but that will be a a learning step that is there. So it will be we will be looking at those in the future videos that are there, and you can have access and to see the videos that are there in our YouTube channel to get an idea of how to take this and use in other platforms. But this is a quick start for all of you to see how these things work, and thank you, and do try it out and share your details in the comments or in the WhatsApp community that is there.